इसके लिए और भी हमारे अतिथि आए हुए हैं, हमारे चहेते, बहुत ही चहेते BR मिश्रा। नीलिमा शर्मा को स्टेज पे बुलाना चाहता हूं, जो कि इसको जेनिथ कंप्यूटर एकेडमी के बारे में स्पीच देना चाहती हैं। नीलिमा शर्मा।
Welcome to all of you present here. Today, celebrating the 4th anniversary of Zenith Computer Academy. Today, celebrating the 4th anniversary of Zenith Computer Academy, I'm proud to say that we are stepping ahead in the 4th year. Previously, there were only 2-3 courses, but today we have 7 to 8 courses. It's only due to the high qualified staff, well-experienced people who are appointed in this academy. And so, we have come to this level that we can provide the best facility along with the education to the students who are interested to learn computers. I am proud to say that Zenith Computer Academy can give the best education to all the students who are approaching this academy. Regarding the rules and regulation of this academy, I can say that it's also beneficial in the way of life, and so discipline is necessary. So why not we can start with education? Today, Zenith Computer Academy has reached the student to a level where they can be self-independent and can earn their own pockets. And today, there are a number of facilities as well as activities conducted in this academy. Like, there are scholarship examination, discipline-based examination. It can help the students not only to learn, but further they can do something in it. They can easily achieve what they want. And so, this academy helps the students who are in need of it. And so today, I am proud to say that I am the part of this academy. And so, because of this various activity, various participation from the various students, various activities, I can say that we are celebrating this success. And I want everybody to thank. And today, giving this opportunity to stand here and speak towards all of you. Again, this pleasure and this all the privileges given to me, it's all because of our teachers of this academy. Today, a part of this academy, I am very thankful to our teachers who have helped today to become a part of this academy. And so, giving a vote of thanks to each and every individual who are participating in this academy. And so, my heartily thanks to all of you who have become the part of this academy. Thank you.
8 महीने पहले मेरा एक्सीडेंट हुआ था। उस समय मुझे ऐसा लगा कि शायद मेरा क्लास बंद हो जाएगा, पर कुछ ऐसे लोगों की जो मेरे साथ हिम्मत थी, वो है मिस्टर राकेश शर्मा। उन्होंने मुझे बहुत ही आगे बढ़ाने के लिए अपना सब कुछ लगाया है, और मैंने भी उसी समय सोचा कि आज जो 4th एनिवर्सरी मनाया जा रहा है सिर्फ उनकी बदौलत। और फिर मैंने भी सोचा कि कुछ लिखूं, तो मैंने लिखा कि मैं तूफानों में चलने का आदी हूँ, मैं तूफानों में चलने का आदी हूँ, तुम मत मेरी मंजिल आसान करो। है फूल रोकते कांटे मुझे चलाते, है फूल रोकते कांटे मुझे चलाते, मरुस्थल पहाड़ चढ़ने की चाह बनाते। सच कहता हूँ जब मुश्किलें ना होती हैं मेरे पग तब चलने में शर्माते हैं। मेरे संग चलने लगे हवाएं जिससे तुम पथ के कण-कण को तूफान करो, मैं तूफानों में चलने का आदी हूँ, मत मेरा मंजिल आसान करो, मत मेरा मंजिल आसान करो। इसी चाह के साथ मैं अपने प्यारे से स्टूडेंट का प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज।